And at the front of the van we have the coupling head. With both of these levers in the upright position, it is ready to receive a tow ball, like so. Back handle will drop down, ready for the stabilising handle to come down, locking the tow ball in place. Once you are ready to remove, lift the first handle and then the second handle, and it will release the tow ball. Moving back, we have the breakaway cable, jockey wheel handbrake, and 13-pin plug. I will now demonstrate the road lights working. The 13-pin plug controls the road lights and the fridge as long as your vehicle is wired correctly. I will now demonstrate the ATC working. As you can see, ATC works. I will now go around and show you the road lights. Light working, handle lights working. Going around to the side. Both the side lights and high level light working. Your side indicator and fog lights. Rear handle. Again. Do a number plate. Come around this side. Again, all lights are working. And I'll do brake. As you can see, high level and low level brake lights working. Moving up, we have your gas locker with bulkhead regulator, both suitable for butane and propane. The yellow knob is, when in line with the gas pipe, is in the working position. Moving around to the side of the van, you have your water inlet, toilet fill, and toilet cassette. Moving around to the other side of the van, we have your battery locker with battery, mains in, and a remove isolation switch. I will come back to that at the end of the video. Put the mains back in. Coming into the van, we have your control panel with the master switch on and light switch on. The lights will come on. Warning light. And water pump. I will come back to that in a second, along with the Audi. Coming into the van. Underneath the first left seat, we have your consumer unit with MCBs and RCD. It is recommended that every time you plug into a new main source that you hit the test button to make sure that the RCD is working correctly for your safety. You also have 12-volt fuses, all labelled in accordance with what they are for. Behind there you have your mover box. Coming over to the other side, you'll find your water pump, and as you can see, that little yellow switch back there, which is a bit difficult to see, when in a horizontal position is closed and no water will be draining from the system. When in the vertical position, that is ready for draining. That will need to be done before you start using the water system. With the drain valve in the closed position, you can come back up to the control panel and turn on the pump. The pump on, and bleed the air out of the system. This should take a few seconds on the cold side and could take a few minutes on the hot side. You will need to do that on all 3 taps. And there's no air in the system. Once the air is fully bled out of the system, you're ready to use the water side. Then going back up to your control panel, we have the Audi system. Start with, you press the on button, turning the system on, pressing the arrow over to set the internal temperature, and then again to turn the water heater on and off, and again to the gas symbol to turn the gas on and off, and then to the lightning bolt symbol to turn it on to 1, 2 and 3 kilowatts. Coming down from here, we have the fridge. As you can see, we have 3 symbols: mains, battery. This is for the 12 volt when running on the car. Again, this will only work as long as your vehicle is wired correctly. And gas. With the gas on, you push this knob in and hold this button until the needle comes round into the green. Once in the green, you can let go and the fridge will stay lit. Just turn that off. We have grill, pan and handle, oven. Underneath the oven we have your gas manifold with a diagram of showing how it needs to be to work. Coming up set from there, we have the hob, 4 burners. Going into the bathroom, we have toilet with electric flush. You see, press the blue button and your toilet will flush. Closing that. I will now take you out showing all the lights working. You also have a microwave. Also over here, this is the isolation switch for your Audi system. When the red light is on, the system is working. When the red light is off, the system will not work. Coming back over here, we also leave a warranty cover sheet in your van. This is there for you to read through and so you can fully understand what is covered and not covered with your warranty. I'll now demonstrate the mover working. The red isolator key, put it into the hole, turn the mover on. We'll then need the handset, pressing both the green buttons to turn it on, and then pressing the middle button along with the green arrow onto the wheel to engage the mover. It is important that you wait until the handset has stopped flashing before using the mover, so the mover has fully engaged. Now with the mover engaged, you can release the handbrake and you're ready to move the caravan. Forwards, backwards, front end to me, front end away from me, back end to me, and back end away from me. To turn the mover off, press one of the green buttons and the lights will go off.